If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your voice chat experience. Step 1. Check in game settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Rocket League and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Look for the audio settings and confirm that the voice chat option is turned on. Step 2. Verify platform settings. Depending on your gaming platform, check the privacy and voice chat settings. Make sure that voice chat is allowed and that your account is set to allow communication with friends and other players. Step 3. Test your microphone. Ensure your microphone is functioning properly. Test it outside of Rocket League using another application or platform to confirm that it is working and not muted. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your audio drivers and any relevant software are up to date. This includes checking for updates for your gaming platform, operating system, and any audio-related applications. Step 5. Restart the game and system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Close Rocket League completely, restart your gaming system, and then launch the game again to see if the voice chat works. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and enhance your voice chat experience in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.